Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll show you how to successfully disassemble and reassemble the appliance one step at a time. Many LG refrigerator repairs will require some disassembly of the product. These are the tools you'll need to fully disassemble and reassemble the LG refrigerator. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Shut the water off to the appliance. To reach internal components within the fridge cavity, such as the duct assembly, duct caps, and shelf holder, lift the front of the shelf assemblies up and unhook them from their slots and pull them out. Pull out the crisper drawers. Push up underneath the glass shelf and pull the shelf out. Next, pull out the crisper drawer assembly. Extend out the deli drawer and lift up to remove. Using the jeweler's screwdriver, pry out the upper and lower duct caps. Take out the two screws securing the shelf holder. Remove the holder by lifting it up and out. Now remove the screw holding the duct assembly in place. Starting at the top, unsnap the assembly and lay it down. This could take a bit of pressure. Unplug the wire harness. With the necessary repairs to the refrigerator made, you can now reinstall the internal components. Plug in the wire harness. Insert the duct assembly from the bottom and snap the assembly into place. Secure the duct assembly with the Phillips screw. Now insert the shelf holder and secure it with the two screws. Place the upper and lower duct caps in position. Guide the deli drawer into its tracks and slide it into the fridge. Insert the crisper drawer assembly back into the fridge cavity. Insert the glass shelf horizontally and slide the crisper drawers back into place. Hook the shelf assemblies into their slots and gently set them. To reach internal components within the freezer cavity, such as the evaporator fan or temperature sensor, fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Lift the bottom freezer drawer out from the rear. Use the jeweler's screwdriver to depress the tab on the drawer gear and pull up to detach it from the slide rail. Pull the bar away from the other gear. Loosen and remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the freezer door and lift it up and out to remove it. Remove the 2 screws on the ice maker. Use the flathead screwdriver to release the tabs and pull it down, sliding it forward at the same time. Unplug the wire harness and remove the ice maker. Unsnap the evaporator cover. Unplug the temperature sensor and the evaporator fan. With the necessary repairs to the freezer made, you can now reinstall the internal components. Plug in the evaporator and temperature sensor. Position and snap the evaporator cover into place. Plug in the wire harness for the ice maker. Slide the back of the ice maker into place and push up to snap in the tabs. Thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure the ice maker. Set the freezer door by hooking the connector rails to the sliders. Screw in the 2 Phillips head screws to secure the door. Insert the bar into the set gear and snap the gear on the other end into its slot within the slide rail. This can be difficult to align. Place the drawer back inside the freezer. Slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. To reach the main control board or power cord, give yourself access to the back side of the fridge. Unscrew the 3 Phillips head screws on the back panel and remove it. With the necessary repairs made, you can now reinstall the panel. Place the back panel and secure with the 3 screws. To gain access to components like the condenser motor, condenser fan, and water inlet valve, use the wrench to loosen and remove the main water line. Unscrew the 5 Phillips head screws on the bottom panel and remove it. With the necessary repairs made, you can now reinstall the panel. Place the bottom panel and secure with the 5 screws. Fasten the main water line to the inlet valve. Turn the water back on to the appliance. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.